same drill here, 2 minutes, right? 2-minute EWO. So let's say you got in here, it goes against you. So what? You're out. You got in this one. You made some money because it went way down. See those candles? Let's say it even went flat. Who cares? You get on this one. Bang. There's your payday. You see them? So some of you would be, oh, coach, I got burned on this one. I'm not. And then I went on another one and I got every time, coach, I enter an EWO, it goes against me. But you didn't do the last one. This was 3 trades. Because some of you will get in this trade, right? And you'll be like, oh, but I don't want to give it back. It's doing it, you slight pullback. I'm just going to get all out. And look at this, though. You get all out on this one. And look at how much more you had to go the rest of the day. Right? So you went from, this one to this one. You got chicken feet and you missed the big move. This was the big move. It's way bigger later. You see it? So again, you guys, you've got to control your own fear or greed. And one of them is dictating your trades. Think of it this way too. A lot of us, right? You keep getting chickened out on these small trades. So let's say you got in and you got out. You're like, well, I'm okay. I made money from here to here. Right? Let's say you had an 80% trade, right? And you're like, I feel good. That's a good trade. Isn't that a good trade?
Yep.
Here's the
Yes, a decent return.
Here's the problem with this trade. What if yesterday you had 3 trades that all went against you 25%? That was 75%. You're like, the CWO just sucks. I can't get it. This 300% trade would have easily made up your 75% trade. But because you're not allowing your green trade to go, all you're doing is breaking even. Do you guys see it? If you don't let those runners run, you will never be successful as a trader. The reason is because if you can't get your brain to lock in when you're green, you'll never get this. And I know it's hard because greed is what takes over when you're in the green, right? When you guys are in a green trade, it's greed. Am I right? It's not fear anymore. You're not fearing losing money. It's greed of, oh, I want to take it. When we are green, you've already done all the work to get it to go green. You've executed the trade perfectly. You rode out some of the storm. It's gone green. Why would you get out when you've already done the hard work? Right? Start thinking of it that way. Be like, I already put in the work to get to the upside. Leave it alone. So instead of just, I want out, oh, what do you think, coach? What do you think here? Is it, coach, does this look like the changing moment now, coach? Stop worrying about all that. Are you in a green trade? Good, let it go.